How do we make our own preference list? This video answers that question. So first of all, you have to be clear what matters to you the most. College or course. Now let's see, I want to do 3 courses, either Pol Science Honours, History Honours or BA program, and I am indifferent between these courses. But my priority is Lady Shri Ram College. What I will do is, number 1, I will put Lady Shri Ram College with all these 3 courses, and then other colleges with 3 courses, like let's say Hindu containing all these 3 courses, then Hansraj containing all these courses. However, if I give a little preference to Pol Science Honours, what I will do is I will keep top colleges of Pol Science Honours, followed by top colleges of History Honours, followed by top colleges of BA program. So this way you can formulate your own preference list, but make sure no matter what your course, keep the top colleges at top and then the following colleges. I hope this answers your doubt. To get a generalized preference list for each courses, download the EduShield app from the link in bio and access it from the free material.